And now we have a heartline from Guan in Singapore.
Since the war in Ukraine started, at some moments I could feel I was in their situation, with shortages of food and water, no electricity and helplessness. There's nothing much I can do but only pray for them. Master once said we practitioners are powerful. We could move mountains and empty the seas. In one of my visions during meditation, I could see the white forces surrounded by dark forces. Angels were helping in all directions, and several of us were standing in line defending against these evil forces. We began to recite the holy names and the holy gift, and gradually the dark forces scattered and disappeared. I could also see heaven helping the Ukrainians in every way, like making Russian bullets disappear into thin air, shaking the earth, cracking it, and making their vehicles difficult to maneuver, and their air missiles to fly into thick clouds and disappear. Our prayers are very powerful. It helps in every way even when we are far away. It's saddening to see what is happening to the helpless Ukrainians now, and no country is helping them. I hope the war will end soon, and the Ukrainian people will reunite with their family members. Russia, please go home. Guan from Singapore.
Insightful Guan. Thank you for reminding us of Master's great power. We must use the tools Master has given to us and remain spiritually focused all the time. Utilizing these gifts will uplift us and help the world as well, including ending this crisis and manifesting a vegan world. May heaven bless you, beautiful Singapore and talented Ukraine. In Universal Light, Supreme Master TV team. P.S. Master has this reply for you. Knowing Guan, good for you that you have witnessed heaven's proactive help for Ukraine, as well as the effectiveness of our prayers. I am hoping that all our combined efforts will bring the results we seek. Though evil resistance and ignorance on our planet slow the progress, light will always win over darkness, but humankind must be vegan to survive and also to end the war sooner. Sending loving prayers that the divine may always protect and defend you, the radiant Singaporean people and determined Ukraine.
Turn vegan. Wow, you've reached spiritual adulthood.
We welcome your heartlines, stories, and/or cute loving animal people clips. Please send them via suprememastertv.com/heartline.